It's December 20th. There's only like 5 days till Christmas. I have snow in my hair. I just wanted to go eat, but I wanted to show this them. And it's like really pretty here in Boston. Oh, so nice. It's just, oh no, I got the camera. My pants got all wet. It's snowing so hard. Oh, there's already a smiley face on it. Oh, that's so cute. This snow kind of hurts, guys. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. You know, I used to work here for like 2 months last year, and then I had to quit because I went to California for school. I didn't miss that much, but it's so pretty here. My hands are freezing! Look, they got a hole on them. It's kind of scary. Look at this view, guys. You can't really see because it's bright-ish in here. It's still snowing. Okay, I'm recording now.
We just came out watching Sonic 3. Sonic 3 was an amazing movie.
It was really good.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo, what the
That guy is a Christmas spirit, alright. Well, do we do a Sonic 3 spoiler review or non-spoiler?
Yeah, we're doing a spoiler review. Everybody fucking died.
Shadow was definitely better than Sonic this time.
Live and Learn played in the movie, and I was really excited about that.
No, it was the fart jetpack for me.
Also, I'm not going to see the fourth movie. They've gone woke. There's a girl in it.
Goes back at the end, you know, and then credits, you know, there's a new character.
He's
blue.
Now record that car right there. What happened? What? Turn off the camera, bro.
Words cannot express my anger towards you right now.
What's up?
Oh, revenge.
Tastes like shit.
How do you know what shit tastes like shit, boy?
So I haven't used this since my 15.
What?
I'm 20. I'm 20. Ah. All right, bro. You're turning 20 in 3 months. Relax.
I'm turning 20 in like 2 weeks.
You guys better not ask me for alcohol next year.
Oh, I'm gonna. Yeah, on everybody's soul. I am asking you for a bottle of Tito's.